Super hard today. 50 burpees, I got 40 done. I've got 10 more to go. Join me, won't you? Here we go. Hands all overhead. Down. Push up. Back in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Come on. Hey, count. Wait, she's coming up. 9. Oh, one more. Thank you. 50. Oh my God. Some days are harder than others. Today was super hard, but I pushed play. I hope you're pushing play too. I'll talk to you soon. I gotta get some water. Bye.